So how can I get involved? Get familiar with the work. Pay attention to who's doing this. I follow a whole bunch of piano entertainers on social media. They're all doing different things. It's fun to watch what they do. Some of them write their own original material as well as doing cover songs. No shame in doing cover songs. I'd kind of like to drive that point home. When Ariel was doing his Journey cover, he was in a band called The Zoo, and they were doing covers of Journey, Stryper, all sorts of other different bands. And because he did a good job of the Journey song, he literally got the gig to sing with Journey. So if you're doing cover songs online, you do a good enough job, who knows who's listening? I say you don't know who's listening. You don't know who's going to see that YouTube video. It was one of Neil Sean's friends saw the video and said, "Hey, Neil, check this out." And if that guy hadn't have found Ariel and told Neil about it, he wouldn't have got the gig. So watch others perform live or online. Practice and memorize. Practice and memorize. Practice and memorize. Memorizing songs is the key to success in this business. If you're constantly looking down at your iPad, I can't look at you. I can't make jokes. I can't engage. It's important to make eye contact with everyone in the audience. And when your head's down at the keys or your head's in your iPad, you can't engage your audience. And I've been guilty of that. We all do it. But my goal is for anybody I'm training, is like, I want your eyes in the audience like for 80% of the show. If your head's down 75% of the show, I don't want you working with me. You got to be engaged with the audience, smiling, looking them in the eye, pointing at them like, "Hey, you're enjoying this. We're having a good time together." You can't engage the audience unless you have everything memorized. It's just that simple. Piano Entertaining on Instagram. It's a channel I created. I'm doing tutorials. I'm doing watching me play different songs. I talk about why I'm playing what I'm playing and why I feel it's effective. I have a website, 176keys.ca. It's also 176keys.ca on Instagram, so if you'd like to follow that. I publish a lot of content that has to do with our live shows we're doing, the prep work we do before a show, the tearing down afterwards. Also the Piano Entertaining and 176 Keys are both kind of similar, and I'm trying to show people what I do so that I build interest in the coaching program that I'm working on. Visit 176 Keys. If you want to visit, you can scan the QR code on our sign here. Take it to our website. It shows you some of our shows that we've done. There's some videos on there. Sign up for my free Intro to Piano Entertaining course online. It's not quite ready, but it's just about ready. So if you want to just do me a favor and scan the QR code, punch your email into the website and just put, "I'm interested in the free Intro to Piano Entertaining course." I will get back to you on that. So thanks. If you'd like to talk about becoming part of the 176 Keys Apprentice program, I'd love to talk to you about that at another time. But I'm looking for committed people who want to build successful careers. And then finally, did we mention practice? You can always improve. You can always practice. You can always get better. One of the things I've been teaching Alora, my new apprentice, is don't do it until you get it right. Do it until you can't get it wrong. It's very important. When you get the muscle memory to play a song, you shouldn't have to think about what you're doing. I'd like to just do a quick demonstration. So I'm going to play Footloose for you, but I want to look at you the whole time I'm playing. I won't sing, but I'm just going to play here. So without the synth sound. I'll sing anyway. I've been working so hard. I've been punching my card 8 hours for what? Oh, tell me what I got. I got this feeling that time's just holding me down. I'll hit the ceiling or else I'll tear up this town. Tonight I gotta get loose, foot loose, kick off the Sunday shoes. Please, Louise, pull me up from my knees. Jack, get back, come on before we crack. Lose your moves, everybody cut foot loose. So I like to think I made eye contact with all of you throughout that song. But if I'm just like, I've been working so hard, I don't look like I'm having a good time. I look like I'm afraid to make a mistake. So making eye contact with all of you while I did that was important to me, and memorizing the song makes it able to facilitate that.